Mediation letter and application letter for TRP in Lithuania. These two documents are really important to submit in VFS Center if you have an application for temporary residency in Lithuania. Pero ano nga ba ito? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Mga gwapo and gwapa, welcome to another informative vlog. This is Inday Gwapa. Sa video ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang dalawang mahahalagang dokumento na kailangan isubmit sa VFS Center if you have an application for Lithuania. I-discuss ko na rin po ang mga nilalaman or contents ng letter, and of course, yung sample nito ipapakita ko din po sa inyo. Okay? So first, mediation letter. It is an invitation letter that confirms an obligation for legal entity. So for Lithuania, it is a document required for a certain visa if you have an application for temporary residency. So ito po yung sample ng mediation letter. Take note guys, ito po is naka-Lithuanian language and some information binlearned ko po because this is my personal document privacy. Okay?
Just take a close look guys for mediation letter. Apologize for the blurred information, but this is only a quick sample for those who want to view what mediation letter is, okay? So mediation letter has a unique barcode on the upper left area.
For mediation letter contents, it composed of inviter information and the foreign information. So for inviter information, kung sino pong nag-invite sa inyo papuntang Lithuania. If consider po sa work or sa study. If sa work po, syempre, kailangan po yung details ni employer such as office address, yung contact details, at yung name ng representative ng authorized personnel kung sino pong nag-invite. Okay? Then, for the foreigners information, ito po yung sa atin, sa personal details natin, and then work experience natin, at yung sa passport natin, kung ano po yung mga nakalagay na information. Then, naka-indicate po doon yung purpose ng stay nyo, if work ba siya or study. If work po, indicated po doon yung monthly salary nyo sa Lithuania, okay? Second letter is the application letter for temporary residency in Lithuania. So, ito po yung sample nito. Ang nilalaman naman po ng letter na ito is our personal details again, and then work experience po natin. At tinatanong din po dun guys kung na-issuehan ba tayo ng visa for the last 5 years.
So, this is the sample of application letter for temporary residency in Lithuania. Apologize for the blurry information. Thank you.
Take note guys that no minimum required amount for bank statements sa pag-apply ng Lithuania visa. Okay? So, ginawa ko po ang video ito para po sa ating mga kababayan na especially sa mga first-time applicant or sa mga malapit na pong mag-VFS. Okay? So, that's it for this video guys. Hope you find this video informative. If you're interested in this kind of topic, well, stay tuned. But don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading more informative videos. This is Inday Gwapa, always saying, if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you all for watching.